Welcome back to the Jade Martian cryptocurrency news stream, newscast. I will be now breaking down our second article for the day, which is blockchain.com losing its veteran from Goldman Sachs to Ripple. So, a quick take. Former Goldman Sachs executive Breanne Madigan has left blockchain.com for Ripple, sources said. This is the second Wall Street veteran to exit the firm this year. Madigan was leading the firm's push to attract institutional investors prior to her exit. Crypto wallet provider blockchain.com has lost yet another Wall Street veteran. Breanne Madigan, a former Goldman Sachs executive, has left blockchain.com for Ripple. Blockchain.com communication lead Patrick Sutton confirmed this to the block. Her exit followed that of Jamie Selway, previously global head of institutional markets at the firm. Upon joining blockchain.com as head of institutional sales and strategy, Madigan was tasked to carry out the firm's ambition to attract institutional investors. The crypto wallet service's original plan was to build an institution-oriented platform that integrates over-the-counter trading, custody, and exchange business. To this end, blockchain.com also poached Jamie Selway from Wall Street broker ITG a few months after Madigan. Little news has been heard from the firm's institutional investment platform since then, although it did launch the OTC desk earlier this year and has an active custody service, Sutton said. In comparison, Ripple appears to have a shot at cracking the institutional market. The payment startup reported a 54% quarterly surge in its direct institutional sales of XRP in Q1, totaling $61.93 million. Since that was in Q1, that would have been somewhere around the range of 180 to 190 million XRP, right? So it is against the backdrop of Madigan's shift. It is against this backdrop, that Madigan shifted her post. Prior to joining blockchain.com, Madigan served as head of institutional wealth services at Goldman Sachs, where she helped oversee a record $1.49 trillion in total assets in 2017. That's a lot of money. Madigan has been with the Wall Street firm for over 13 years before she pivoted to the crypto business, according to her LinkedIn profile. Madigan told the block that she will continue the effort to bring more institutional investors to crypto at Ripple. I am thrilled to confirm that I've joined Ripple to lead the global institutional markets team, said Madigan. This is an exciting time to be joining the Ripple team, helping to foster mass adoption of digital assets and transforming global payments systems across the world. And hopefully she will be able to realize that goal with Ripple, right? As I think many of us as XRP investors truly do hope to see come to fruition. As lucrative as institutional investments could be, many crypto firms find it difficult to break into this market. Coinbase has experienced a similar shift from Wall Street to crypto professional traders this year. After encountering pushback from the former, who are still highly cautious about entering into the new asset class. However, with the entrance of big financial service firms like Fidelity, it is likely that other big names will soon follow suit. Although both Selway and Madigan left, blockchain.com's institutional sales team is currently led by yet another Wall Streeter, Charles McGarrick. Charles McGarrick. I hope that I'm saying that right. Probably not, but that's my best guess at how to pronounce his last name. Who was formerly Goldman Sachs as their global head of metals trading. So, what the big takeaway really from this is that not only are institutions like Fidelity hopping on the crypto bandwagon as fast as they can, and many of these large institutions seem to be attracted to Ripple in particular, but we're also seeing the former executives of many of these large traditional financial firms also jumping the boat to join crypto firms. And in this case, one jumping from one crypto firm into Ripple's ecosystem, right? So, very exciting news. I always love to see when other professionals in the financial industry are becoming personally involved, both through their social media platforms and through their actual what they choose to do for work, who they choose to follow as an employer. This is big stuff, right? One of the best ways for any company to forge connections with another company is to acquire former employees of that company who left on good terms. Now, we don't know if Breanne Madigan had this sort of a departure from Goldman Sachs before she went to blockchain.com, but we can assume that since she was an executive, and the way most of these these individuals carry themselves and pride themselves in maintaining powerful networks, that we can assume that she did leave on good terms and that she will be in touch with her former colleagues at Goldman Sachs to share the wonder that is Ripple, right? So that's all I've got for this article on the acquisition of a Goldman Sachs veteran by Ripple Labs. I hope you enjoyed. As always, if you did, please hit that like, smash that subscribe, ring the bell, and please leave a comment section in the comments below, or a comment in the comment sections below, explaining what I could do better to make this experience more enjoyable for you. I do plan to get a new mic as soon as possible, as I do know from listening to my own videos that the quality of this mic is absolutely atrocious, and I do apologize. It's simply all I have to work with at the moment, and I will replace it as soon as possible for you guys to be able to appreciate the voice coming through your screen, your speakers, more so than to be hearing the grindingness of the static behind that, right? So thank you again for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. As always, Jade Martian out, and I'll see you all on Mars.